Tell me, what are you doing? You weirdo. What are you looking at? That what you want? Alright. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are well, enjoying the company, enjoying quarantine. But today we have a special thing. Car parts. So I know I didn't upload any videos last week. It's actually because I was waiting this for like a month and a half. I have stuff. Bro, what are you doing? What's up? What are you doing? Anyways, so I was waiting for a long time for this. And I have some more parts that is being waiting, especially from coronavirus. It's taking forever. But anyways, I'm actually gonna do an unboxing right now of what is going to be my new radio. Alright, so now we have La Mamalona. So hopefully, see if we can actually, I found this, I forgot I had this. So see if we can actually cut something or open it at least. This is gonna be like a long video of me opening. Like I see it, or I can see it already. Something there. Well, that's all we gotta do. Okay, so this just. You see, this is how it should have came out. Okay, another box, and then okay, let's do this. I don't know what's the top or what's the bottom, but I don't know. She doesn't even know yet. Oh shit. Yo, that's a lot of cables. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. It's like an antenna. This, I don't know for what. Some more cables. Oh shit, it came with a rear camera. What? That's crazy. Then the actual iPad is this. Damn. Let me check if there's something else. No? I think that's it. Let me see. This is crazy. Oh damn, it didn't come with a protector? That fucking sucks. Well, you can, I don't want you to see my reflection because I'm ugly, but this is actually pretty nice. It's a very good quality. It seems nice. Alright guys, so first we have to drop down this and then this thing. Let me see if I can open it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get open. I don't know. This little trim comes out. I guess that's how it comes out. Oh, I can take it out, but whatever. I'm gonna leave it like that because we are lazy here. Screwdriver. Yeah, there's only one. So do this. Keep the bolt right here so we know it's that part. And then I think I can just take this out. It just have to come like down. Oh wait, no. I lied. Is there another one? I have no idea. Like, I'm learning with you guys. Alright, so this pop off just right like that. Let's put this to a side. I'm gonna record it on my head because I don't know if it was gonna be easier. I believe I have to take these out, take the whole thing out. So do this. Let me see. I think we should disconnect this out. It's a lot of stuff dropping on my legs. I have no idea what it is. I always suck at taking this stuff like this out. I hate it. right here. Right? Hello? Here we go. This is like another 20 minutes. Which for you guys are gonna be like 2 seconds. There you go, actually. Wow. So this is the old radio. And I believe this is the thing that we have to take out. So let's put this to a side here because I believe we're gonna need the vents. And there's going to be a bolt right here. And another one right here. And there's 2 more here. Now this just comes like that. And fuck, I don't wanna use this. Wait, actually, I don't think I need to remove this now that I'm thinking about it. Do I? I don't know. Let me see this and check the manual real quick. So this is the result. This is how it looks. Sorry for not showing the actual process. This is also painting the ass, trying to figure out the cables and cables. And I also started
La hija del fulano acá se está metiendo una piola y no le para bola, fue la bola que en verdad la ama ya le va. Se va a la cama con un el de al lado invadió un terreno clasista, la del frente la votaron por no votar a favor. Yo no sé si tú y yo vivimos en el mismo país, pero te juro que así es en el mío. Pero te juro que así es en el mío. Tragedia, racismo, llena de clima tropical. Borracho con pique sacudo, nada personal. Pero igual que ella madre, llorando porque el muchacho se lo mataron. Pero lo que nunca supo quizás se enteró muy tarde. El chamo era un matón, por culpa del otro lloraron. Yo no sé si tú y yo vivimos en el mismo país, pero aquí es casi como en el Medio Oriente.